guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a Christmas tutorial, but it's on my hair, and make sure you subscribe and give us 1,000,000 hits. So all you need is hairspray. You can use any kind, but just don't use too much. Next is we're gonna do a birthday hat to make the tree. And look, doesn't this sound so good? Okay, next you will need a hairbrush. You will need some water. Look, it likes, see? It's water, but smells really good. You guys don't have to use like water. And then you're gonna need these. And then we're gonna use some of these. I know they just look like they're crafty, but they're not. They're together. And these are called tinsel. And we're gonna put them right here. And you would need a 10-piece lights. They're like, see them? I can't pronounce them. And you're gonna need some bobby pins. I know it looks like I used them all at once, but no, I need them for a lot of things. I needed them for my hair today at school. And you need another piece of light. Okay, so guys, first thing you're gonna put your tree in the middle, and it has this, so we're just gonna put it on there because to hold in place.
Okay, so.
But just so you don't use it like really tight because it'll cut your neck off. And you'll have to like get surgery to put it back on. You don't want that.
No. Okay.
So guys, you need to comb your hair, but make sure you comb it later because see, mine doesn't hurt a lot. Ow, you just brushed my face, Mom.
Sorry, baby.
It's okay. Look, see guys, she calls me baby. And my hair is starting to look straight and curly. Guys.
Now you can put that on.
Okay. But I can't see now, Mom.
Okay, because I need this to go in the front like this. See?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you can see it.
Okay, everyone, so now my hair is up. Okay. So now we're gonna decorate it. So now we're just gonna put some stars around my hair. Look guys. Boom, bam, bam, pop. Butter pop, boom. Boom, butter pop, boom. Pow. Boom, boom, bam, bam, pop. Butter pop, boom. Pow. Guys, let me tell you what Christmas present is. So let's see. These are the lights, and now I'm gonna put them in my hair. Check out my lights. Look guys. So now I'm going to put some bells in my hair. Jingle bells, look. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, honey, yesterday I went with a good say, hey. Bells, jingle all the way. Oh, funny, yesterday I didn't know there's open sleigh. It's like carrying me in my back.
Oh yeah, you have to leave them there.
Okay, so now for the finishing touch. I'm gonna put this star on the top. Wait, just go this way. Okay. So I'm gonna put it like right here. What are those ornaments for?
Hold on, wait. Let me stick this in for you.
And that's how you make the hair Christmas tree. Let me know if you are gonna do this challenge, but you're gonna want to be careful because you do not want to break anything, and tell your moms to be very mature. Happy holidays!